Hey there, good morning. It's about 5:30 a.m. right now, and I am heading to Khao Tao Beach. And when I get to Khao Tao Beach, I'm actually going to run about 2.1 miles. But a lot of you have asked for, more pictures and videos of the beaches here. So I'm going to bring my drone with me this morning, and I'm going to fly Khao Tao Beach. I'm going to start probably around the anchor bar, might fly out to the islands, and then north up to Koh Takiap, and then south down to Khao Tao Reservoir. So I'll try to make this video a little bit interesting for you. And as you can see, the sun's already starting to come up. So I'm going to head over there and I'll see you in a bit. So hey there, it is right around 5:45. A little bit about Khao Tao Beach and where it is. I'm going to put a map right up here in the corner like I usually do. But this was about an 8-minute scooter ride from our house. Right now, it might look light and bright out here, but it is still pretty dark, meaning the sun's not up yet. There is some ambient light coming from over there, but the sky's light, but the sun is not up yet. So anyways, the south part of the beach is down there. There's a temple. I'm going to show you that really quick. Over the side of that hill over there is Khao Tao Reservoir. That's where we usually run. It's about a 1.4 mile loop around a lake or reservoir that has some small vendors, and I usually stop there for coffee. There's 2 islands out here. If I can get the names of those 2 islands, I'll get them for you. I'm actually going to fly the drone out there. Then I'm going to fly north up there that's Koh Takiap Mountain. That is the south side of the mountain. Maybe I'll fly to the north side just to show you what it looks like. And then I'll head back here to the anchor bar, which is right there. That's where Kim has been taking her kite surfing lessons. And really nice vibe there. Literally a beach bar, beach restaurant, fun place, good prices, and a really good vibe. So I'm going to start the drone here in a second, and thanks for watching. So hey, hope you enjoyed that quick video I did of Khao Tao Beach. Like I said, I'll put it on a map right here, right there. And what I did is I first flew south over the temples down there. I'll actually put the name of the temple right here. Kim and I have not gone to that temple yet, but it's really a big facility. We want to go down there and see it. I flew over the temple and I showed you Sinoi Beach, which is one of our favorite beaches. It's a private beach. You could see by the video that it's kind of secluded. There's a beach cafe there. It's called Kiss Cafe. Kim and I have both done videos there. If you haven't subscribed to Kim's channel, it's called Kimberly Sandbox. I suggest looking at it. I'll put the word right here and I'll put the link down below. Then I flew inland over Khao Tao Reservoir. I started to lose connection a little bit, so I didn't fly over the whole reservoir like I had wanted, but then I flew back to the beach, flew out to those islands over there. I flew to that island and I flew to that island. Then I was flying up to Koh Takiap Mountain, and I knew there were flight restrictions up there because you actually start to get close to the airport. You're not really near the airport, but there are flight restrictions, and I hit that zone, so I wasn't able to fly all the way up to the mountain, which is fine. Then I came down south along the beach. So I hope you found this useful. I will be doing more of these type of videos, maybe one a week, well, one every couple weeks. Next one I want to do is Pak Nam Pran. Then I want to go down to Samurai Yacht Beach. I want to do Pranbury, the town. I actually want to fly over Hua Hin. I want to go up to Cha Am and some other places. So maybe not the most exciting video, but some of you have asked for this type of video, so I wanted to do it. Now, I get to go run. I get to run 2.1 miles. I don't know if anybody knows, but Kim and I have committed to running a 100-mile race next October, so like 17 months from now. And I'm up to 2.1 miles in my training. So I have a little bit of ways to go, but I am out here. I am up to 13 days in a row and looking forward to continue this. So, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and whatever else you do. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.